Sanibonani. Nilalele umsakazo Music Gardens FM channel 33. Novompele umkenenezo umphefumulo la sithi khona izwi haba ngumuntu. Ninjani kodwa? Kumhla ka-8 ka-April 2026. Asixolise nje kakhulu balaleli ukuthi singabakhona emoyeni izinsukwana. Bekubhizi kucelebratewa the Passover ey'ndaweni zonke nje emhlabeni wonke actually. Siyabonga kakhulu nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu sesiphinde wasigcina futhi kwaba isikhathi samanje sisaqhubeka endabeni zethu la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. Kodwa niphilile ne-America, Asia, Europe, Africa. I know the Lord is with you and He's guiding you, is showing you things, and it is our prayer ukuthi nibe ne-encounter noNkulunkulu ophilayo. Sike sakhuluma ngezithixo lezi mfundiso zethu sathi kubalekile ukuthi uNkulunkulu simazi ephila, singamenzi isithixo ukuze singaba ney'nkinga, because impilo idinga ukuthi umazi yena uNkulunkulu ophilayo, because nguyena wasidala. Sometimes ke sibona izinto ezenziwe uyena nezinto senzela zona bese siyitshela ukuthi lezo zinto zuyena. Yes, izine-DNA yakhe but zakhiwe nguye, akuzona izinto ezakhe zona, ezakhe yena. So we have to connect to the real source of our lives so that we will live in harmony with the universe, with the nature. Senginikhumbule kakhulu, bese nginikhumbule balaleli. Yo. And God is good. I know that God is good even in your life, and God is showing you things, I believe, and God is changing our seasons ey'mpilweni zethu. Siyazi ukuthi sizalwe ngey'khathi ey'hlukeneyo futhi iy'mpilo zethu zinama-seasons. Kubalulekile ukwazi ukuthi ukusiphi isikhathi empilweni yakho. Sometimes abantu kuye kuthi kuyi-winter season empilweni zabo bafisa ukuba sekwisama, babe frustrated kanti it's winter. So we have to adjust and harmonize and align with the season uNkulunkulu ayilethe kuwe. But siyazi ukuthi kunalento eshiwo ukuthi isikhathi la umuntu khona ebusa ngokuphelele, ebusa ekulungeni, ebusa ekumdali, ebusa ekwi-holy place, ebusa endaweni engcwele, indawo la intando yomuntu isubmithe kwintando kaNkulunkulu. Indawo la izinto zi-possible, la uNkulunkulu enza khona izinto ezi-impossible, and when you just listen and obey izinto ayishoyo, and then things they work out for you. So we want to thank God ukuthi uyasipha ubuhlakani. Asizoba nayo nje specific thing to talk about, but I hope nibe nesikhathi esihle nihlanganyele nonke ku-celebrate the Passover. And I want us just to say something about it, something that ekade nje ngibheka, ngilokhu ngi-observe ukuthi lento yokukaJesu noma i-kingdom kaNkulunkulu eyomuntu, akuyona eyabantu abathize or ehlobo oluthize labantu. Into yawonke umuntu isidalwa sikaNkulunkulu. Ingakho even uJesu ifika emhlabeni enyakazise wonke abantu, because wayezobuyisela umuntu kwi-position yakhe ayedalwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi abe yiyo. So and fanele simbheke ukuthi izinto azenzayo ziyindlela or noma ziyasivezela ukuthi kufanele njengabantu siphile kanjani. And it's not about ukuthi religion, sometimes sinakho lokuthi i-Christianity religion, but mawusubheka kahle uyabona ukuthi no, uma ubuka uJesu indlela afike ngayo emhlabeni, he was not here to establish a religion, he was here to restore ubudlelwane bomuntu nomdali wakhe, and wayiveza ngaso sonke isikhathi. So even though kwakukhona-ke who were religious orientated and they didn't understand why Jesus was here, and because remember ukuthi sonke singabantwana bikaNkulunkulu, we are the sons and daughters of the Lord, the creator of the universe, the creator of heaven and earth. So into yalahleka, we lost ingqondo, sacabanga ukuthi khona esingakwenza ngokwethu, but into impossible, because impilo esiphilayo noma ukuphila umphefumulo nje uwodwa awuveli kumuntu, uvela kuye lo awudala, and ngaphandle kwawo asiphili. So akukho thina ngampela esingathi sinakho, sibelonga kuye, imizimba yethu yakhe yakhiwe nguye. So ingakho sibheka nje indaba yephasika ukuthi it's not about Christianity as such, but it's about umuntu ebuyela engqondweni, umuntu ebuyiselwa kwi-right consciousness, ebuyela kwi-identity yakhe as i-creation kaNkulunkulu. And so khona into kanje ade ngifuna ukuthi sibheke kakhulu, ade ngeke ngayishare, but lalela umsakazo Mnyazi Gardens FM channel 33. Umsakazo omusha sha, uhlale umusha njalo for isikhathi esisha. Yes, la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu, abantu ababe yilokho uNkulunkulu ababizele khona, babe yikho, kwambuleke empilweni zabo. So I was looking at this ukuthi i-danger kakhulu ngento ekuthiwa religion ila ukutheni we repeat same thing. We don't want to get into the life of things, you know. And we ingakho abanye they worship uJesu osesiphambanweni, or yabona, and akaqhubeki lo Jesu nezinto ezenzayo azivezi inqubekela phambili. We're repeating one and the same thing for years and years because sihluleka ungena kwimpilo ekuphileni. La ithena kuJohn 10, because siyakhumbula ukuthi uJesu yizwi elaba ngumuntu. So ileyo part ukuthi fanele izinto ziphile, zibe nokuphila. Ngithi ungagcini ngokunikela nje izinto lezi engaphili, kodwa iba umnikelo wena. Uyazokala umuntu ofikayo endaweni ewumnikelo, akadinayeki, awukwazi ukumziba because iyakhuluma ipresence yakhe ukuthi mina I'm a sacrifice, I'm an offering to God, I belong to God. So kudlula emalini because into powerful, into enempilo, into enokuphila. So we have to become things. Lezi esenzayo religiously we do things but we don't become things, you know. So because ingqondo yethu ayizitshela ukuthi singaba yilokho. So it's very important. So nakhona ukuthi uJesu he died, kumina kuvela ukuthi there was a transition that was happening, and there was a restoration of life back to humankind, which really we have to tap into ukuze sikwazi ukuthi inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu ibonakale emhlabeni. Wonke ama signs that Jesus was doing was channeling us so that we can become sibe yilokho uNkulunkulu asibizele kona. So that's what I wanted to share, ukuthi asingaphinde futhi siphinde history celebrate into as a religious thing, and singaba yiyo singayamukeli impilo ukuthi ukuphila okwayekufela ayifuna ukuthi sikwamukele sibonakale siba izinto uNkulunkulu ayisidalele zona. Ingakho ngathi sithi uma ube yinto uNkulunkulu akudalele yona, the universe start to recognize you because there's a word kunezwi elisuke lifakwe kuwe, and the more you meditate kulo, the more ulalela lona, the more you become it and it become a being. Akusadingi ngisho ngithi I am a musician, but sometimes I don't need to be to play. I am an instrument of God, so I become the piano wherever I go, whatever, even when I speak pianotically. We have to become things that God has created us to be, and singarely ezintweni engaphili. uNkulunkulu aligcine nje anisibekele, sizophinde sihlangane futhi isikhathi esilandelayo kulo msakazo omunandi nje futhi osakhayo, esithemba ukuthi izizwe zonke ziyalalela, zizwe iphimbo liphuma kulo msakazo, sithi nje abantu ababe yilokho uNkulunkulu abenzele kona. May the Lord guide you, may the Lord keep you, may the Lord shine his face upon you, anisebekele, anipha amandla, niqhubeke. Doesn't matter ukuthi ufacana nama-challenge kanjani, but God une-purpose ngawe. Sikhulume kakhulu nje ngalezo zinto, so I don't have to stress it. uNkulunkulu uyasithanda, singabantwana bakhe and uyasinakekela. God bless you.